Introducing the latest e-bike that I'm adding to my electric fleet here. This is the Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volt in blue. A very striking blue that I've already had compliments on, and I've only taken this out twice. Incredibly zippy with good torque. Also noticed that the wheels have reflective paint around the tire. I think that's a good touch, especially here in the city of Chicago, where we have nothing but bozos masquerading as drivers. On the frame of this bike, it also has a sticker labeled as a level 2 e-bike at 20 miles an hour. However, you can unlock the speed. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there showing that. And I was able to jump up to 41 miles an hour on this. And again, I only stand about 5'8.5", 5'9" on my best days, and about 170, 175 pounds. Very impressive. You can merge into the streets with traffic. You can go into the bike lanes, and you can also jump onto the sidewalk. Before I purchased this, I saw multiple videos on YouTube, and I'm thankful for what you guys make out there to help me make my decision and what to purchase next. I love what you guys have done, changing out the bike handles, the handlebars, the LED lights, the mud guards, the chain. I even saw a video where somebody took off the pedals altogether and stuck motorcycle pegs on it. I thought that was so cool. I don't plan on going too crazy on this. As far as modifications, I just put a little trunk bag on it, aftermarket pedals, a phone holder, and a little bell that I had hanging around here. But for the most part, this e-bike is fantastic as is. It's eye-popping with the blue. And while I wait for my vehicle to be made by GM, I'm going to start using this X-Class as my main commuter. I also purchased a VR camera from Kodak, but I'm having trouble keeping it on the handle. It seems to slide forward a lot, so it doesn't have good grip. So I have to figure out a way to mount it. I want you guys to be able to see the 360 all around. I'm basically going to be going down Clark Street. It's a very famous street, has a lot of famous restaurants. I'm going to end up passing by Wrigley Field, where the Cubs play, Lincoln Park Zoo. I'll be near Mag Mile as you see me ride through Chicago while I commute back and forth from work. So continue to follow along. I have some cool electric transport gizmos on the way. I don't want to give any clues because you guys are pretty savvy out there and I'll guess in an instant. But I cannot wait to show all these electric toys off to you guys. Continue to like and subscribe to help out a little channel like this. I'm grateful and appreciative of all the help I could get. That'll be it for me. Stay well. Stay safe. Ciao, friends.